Today you're going to see some problems that are set up differently where you have the parentheses first and then it shows the multiplying by some factor. And I just wanted to show you that this is really the same thing as what we've been working on. It's the same thing as if you had the negative 10 in front and then you had the parentheses 1 plus 9x second. And let me show you how this is true. So I'm going to start by drawing my set of parentheses and then another set of parentheses. And then I'm going to show you that we are multiplying the negative 10 by 1. So negative 10 is being multiplied by positive 1. And we get negative 10 because a negative multiplied by a positive is a negative. Put that addition sign in the middle. And then I'm going to multiply the negative 10 by the positive 9x. So negative 10 multiplied by positive 9x, well, unlike signs, you get a negative. So negative 90x. So that's what I get when we have the negative 10 on the right side and we multiply through. Take a look at if we had the negative 10 in front. Now, this time I'm not going to draw all of the parentheses, I'm just going to show my arrows. So negative 10 times 1 is negative 10. And then negative 10 times 9x is negative 90x. And this expression is equivalent to this expression. You'll see that over here the 90 is negative, and over here this 90 is also negative. Over here the 10 is negative, and over here the 10 is also negative. And remember that adding a negative 90x is the same as subtracting 90x. So these are equivalent. So sometimes you're going to see it where they put this, the multiplication factor, behind instead of in front. And it's actually the same thing because of the commutative property of multiplication. Remember, the commutative property of multiplication says that you can switch the order of two terms or two numbers when they're separated by multiplication. So I can trade the order of these, just like I did over here. I traded the order because they're separated by multiplication. So hopefully that's enough to help you with those problems where the factor comes second.